3. Move.
Me complace amarte, disfruto acariciarte y ponerte a mí. Es escalofriante tenerte de frente, hacerte sonreír. Daría cualquier cosa por tan primorosa, por estar siempre aquí.
Good morning, teachers. Thank you.
Me complace amarte, disfruto acariciarte y ponerte a mí.
Nobody couldn't remember, I never can ever. What can you do? Oh, no matter. Oh, no, there was the apple. They could you go.
Me complace amarte, disfruto acariciarte y ponerte a mí.
Let me hear that in there. Good afternoon, teachers.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Thank you. I'm sorry, I'm running late.